In a world that often demands self-reflection, understanding the intricacies of narcissistic behavior becomes crucial. Narcissists employ a myriad of tactics to keep individuals hooked into their web of manipulation. In this video, we delve into the 5 key strategies that narcissists use to maintain control and influence over their victims. The illusion of charm and magnetism. One of the primary tricks narcissists utilize is the facade of charm and magnetism. Narcissists excel in creating a captivating persona that draws people in effortlessly. This charm often becomes a powerful tool, leaving individuals mesmerized and unsuspecting of the manipulative undertones beneath the surface. The enchanting first impression. Narcissists master the art of crafting an enchanting first impression. They present themselves with an air of confidence and charisma that captivates those around them. This initial allure is a carefully orchestrated ploy to establish control over their target's emotions. Emotional manipulation, playing the puppeteer. Once a narcissist has successfully ensnared someone with their charm, they shift gears to emotional manipulation. Emotional manipulation involves subtly influencing others' feelings, making them more susceptible to the narcissist's desires. Gaslighting tactics unveiled. Gaslighting is a classic narcissistic manipulation technique. By distorting facts and reality, narcissists create doubt and confusion in their victims. This mental manipulation makes individuals question their own perceptions, rendering them more pliable to the narcissist's influence. Feeding the ego, constant adulation required. Narcissists have an insatiable need for admiration and adulation. To keep their victims hooked, they employ strategies that ensure a constant stream of ego-boosting attention. The ego-boosting cycle. Narcissists strategically initiate a cycle of praise and flattery, creating an environment where their victims feel compelled to constantly appease their insatiable ego. This perpetual need for validation keeps individuals tethered to the narcissist's whims. Isolation tactics, cutting ties to maintain control. Another potent tool in the narcissist's arsenal is isolation. By systematically cutting ties between their victim and external support systems, narcissists ensure complete dominance over their prey. The web of isolation. Narcissists methodically isolate their victims from friends and family, creating a dependency on the narcissist for emotional support. This strategic isolation makes it challenging for individuals to seek guidance or perspective outside the narcissist's influence. The destructive power of gaslighting. Gaslighting, a term deeply intertwined with narcissistic behavior, deserves dedicated attention due to its profound impact on victims. Long-term effects of gaslighting. The ramifications of gaslighting extend beyond the immediate manipulation. Victims often grapple with long-term psychological effects, such as self-doubt, anxiety, and an impaired sense of reality. Recognizing these consequences is crucial for breaking free from the narcissist's hold. Breaking free, empowering individuals to reclaim control. Recognizing the signs. Empowering individuals to break free from the clutches of a narcissist begins with recognizing the signs of manipulation. By understanding the tactics employed, victims can regain control over their lives and establish healthy boundaries. Seeking professional support. Acknowledging the need for professional support is a crucial step in the recovery process. Therapeutic interventions provide individuals with the tools and insights necessary to rebuild their lives after experiencing narcissistic abuse. Understanding the nuanced strategies employed by narcissists is paramount for breaking free from their web of manipulation. By shedding light on these tactics, we empower individuals to reclaim control, fostering a future free from the insidious influence of narcissistic behavior.